In this video, I will show you how to install and use the clean YouTube and screen templates for Premiere Pro. You can download these from the VideoHive.net or the Envato elements. The download link in the description section below. So let's get started. After downloading, you will get a zip file something like this, and you need to extract that zip file using any unzip software like WinRR or 7zip. Thereafter, you will get this kind of a folder, Clean YouTube and Screen 2021. Alright, so you need to just open it, and this is for the Premiere Pro. You will find this folder inside it. Just open this as well, and here we have two options. One is for the 2018 version. So if you have the 2018 version of the Premiere Pro, then you need to open this one and you need to install these 4 end screens. So these are 4 end screen, and if you have the latest version like 2019 or above, you need to use these end screen. Alright, and you will also find the note and tutorial projects, and this is the tutorial project. Alright, so now let me show you how you can install it and use it for Premiere Pro. So inside the Premiere Pro, I have this project. I'm gonna place all these end screen right over here in the end of my YouTube video. So it's very good to keep your audience engaged with your content, and it's good to suggest your next content for them, all right, so that they can consume more of your content. So it's very important, and that also helps your channel to grow faster. All right, so now let me show you how you can install it, and for this purpose you need to just go to the Windows and select the Essential Graphics, and that way Essential Graphics panel would be right over here. So there is a old way, and that is if you are using the previous version of the Premiere Pro, I think 2019 or earlier version, then you need to click on the plus icon, and then you need to browse that downloaded folder. All right, and inside it you need to browse this end screen. So once you select that end screen and press open, and that way it would be right over here somewhere, but I'll show you the latest method, which is very easy. So for that purpose you need to just go to this Essential Graphics, and this is the hamburger menu. Just click on this, and then you will find this option, Manage Additional Folder. Just click on this, and this is going to open a dialog box, and right from here you have this Add Folder. Just click on this Add Folder and browse the downloaded folder location. So in this case, Clean YouTube Premiere Pro 2019, and sometimes if you have many subfolders, then this might not show up. In that case, what you can do, you need to move this folder, which is very deep inside, to little bit different location, which is not that deep. Right, so let me show you what I mean. First, let's see if it works right over here. So I'll select the folder, and it would be shown somewhere right over here. So I'll just press OK, and thereafter let's see if I find it over here. All right, so these are visible. Okay, but here you might see this error. You can see this yellow error message. That means the font which is required for this one is not installed on my PC. So I need to manually install it, or I can change this font to something else. But let's see. If you go to the info, if you press the I, then you will see that the font which is used in this is Trade Gothic LTSTD. Okay, so we need to install this font, or we can change this font as well. But let me first install this font. So for that purpose, again we have to go to the tutorial PDF, and I hope that the link to download that font is included in this one. Alright, so I think no, they have not included, the author have not included this font, which is very bad in this case. So what I can do, I can manually search Trade Gothic LTSTD. Okay, so let me just search Trade Gothic font. Okay, Let me search it. Oh, I'm not on the internet right now, so what can I do? Alright, once I install it, download it or install it, I can just find it very easily. This might be available on many websites, so you can just download that or use it. But here, let me show you, you can easily change this. Alright, so we can change this font to something else. So now let me show you how you can use them. So installation is complete. If you want, you can install the font, but I don't want to install it. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll just click on this, alright, and drop it right over here, and it's going to take a little while, and it's going to show you that these are the fonts which are missing, so we need to install these fonts. Alright, but don't worry, we are going to change them something else. You can click on this button and get it from Adobe if it is available on the Adobe. So Adobe font, then it would be synced. Otherwise you can just Google it and download it and install it. But now let me show you, if you don't want to bother going into that, and if you have any other font, you can use that as well. So we'll just press OK, and you can see, just if you just browse it, you can see this is running very slow because this is a little heavy project. Right, so I think their resolution is in 4K, so I need to scale it down. So if you just select it and right click and select scale to frame size. Alright, I think this is already in 1920 by 1080, and if you just play it, you can see this is how it looks. So let me just play it, and font is already changed by the regular default font which is on your system. Alright, so we can change that as well. So first of all, you just select it, and then you need to come to the essential graphics, and in the edit option you have these options. You can change this text as well. Subscribe to this channel, right? So you can change it to something else, but this is good because we don't want that. We can change these text for the Twitter handle and your Instagram and Facebook handle. Alright, so to this channel, alright, you can change the subheading as well. Alright, you can change the font from right over here. So if you don't want to use this default font or the font, that one, you can choose this font. Let's say you can choose this one, but this is not looking good, so let me find a simple font. My favorite is Poppins. Alright, so I'll use this font. This one looks good. Okay, and then we have the option to change all of these options. Then this recommended, alright, this one is good. You can, if you want, you can customize it or change it to something else. Okay, you can write must watch, or you can say next video. So I'll just write must watch. Okay, and this would be changed, must watched, next video. And then let's come down and scroll it down, and then you have the option to change it to next video text as well. You can change it to something else. I'm not going to do this. And then on the bottom you have the Twitter handle, so I'll just write my Twitter handle. Okay, I'll just copy it because I have the same Twitter handle on Instagram, same username on the Instagram. And then on the Facebook you can just type your name. So this is my Facebook page address. Alright, and again you can customize or change the font of each of these elements. Okay, you can change the colors as well to suit your brand. So if you have particular color, so for me, like I have this color, where is it, maybe something like this. Okay, I can change it to this color. Okay, and this one again something like this. Okay, you can see this has been changed, and if I want, I can change this color as well. Okay, you can see this color is also changed, and if you want, you can change this color as well. So I'll click on this, choose my brand color, something like this, though I don't remember that color. So I'll just show you that what is possible with this one. Alright, so what you can do over here, when you upload your video, you can place the subscribe element right over here, and you can add any of the video here and there. All right, so this was the first option. Okay, so this was the first end screen, and similarly you can try different ones. So if you go back to the browse, if you go to the top and select the browse, and then you have the second one. All right, so this is the second one. If you drag it and drop it over here, so again it's going to show you that if some fonts are missing, if you want to change them, you can change them. All right, and then this one has different style. All right, so you can see that this is the second end screen and it has different style. You can change all of these elements. Again, you can customize that according to your liking. So similarly you have the next one, and all of these have the different styles, or maybe some little different arrangements. That would be the perfect wordings. All right, so that would be the perfect way of saying this, that all have different arrangements. You can choose any style which you like. All right, so this is very easy and simple to use, and you can customize it. And the only problem which you might face is a little bit of system lag, because these projects are little heavy. Reason being that they are interconnected to the After Effects, so that's why these are connected, because they are created in the After Effects and then they are exported as a mortgage files to be used in Premiere Pro. So there is little lag most of the time in most of the projects, so you have to bear with that in order to get this kind of amazing styles. So if you want to download this template, you can download it from the videohive.net or the Envato Elements. So download link is in the description section below. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials related to the photo editing, video editing, and especially for the Premiere Pro. And if you have any question or if you want to see something, leave that in the comment section below and I will try to answer all of your questions. And don't forget to visit my website harshvardhanart.com for more free and paid templates and presets for video editing and the photo editing. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye bye.